Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to doing an enveloping. And what's inside this envelope? It is from the folks over at CPA Authentics. That's right, CPA Authentics. So yeah, y'all, enough chit chat. Let's see what's inside, see what I received. Like right now. Alrighty, folks. So what did I receive in the envelope from the folks at CPA? Here it is. Holy shit. Holy shit. Is that what I think it is? Yes, it is. A Linda Hamilton autograph from Terminator 2, Judgment Day. And her character name, Sarah Connor. Holy shit. Holy shit to the way. Beckett authenticated. Oh, rad. I can't believe it. I got me a Linda Hamilton autograph. Yes. Heck to the Y-E-S. So yeah, y'all. And of course, as I told you in my pre-order videos at CPA Authentics for Linda Hamilton and others, is anybody excited for Linda Hamilton to be appearing in the final season of Stranger Things? Please tell me what you all think. All right, for all you Stranger Things fans, horror fans, Terminator fans, and such, action films and horror films. Let me know in the comments down below. Tell me what you think. Are you guys excited for the next installment? Heck, I just hope in the fifth and final installment we get to see chainsaws in the movie. Well, at least one chainsaw, fighting against the monsters and stuff. I hope we see that. And Linda Hamilton can be badass. Badass all the way. All right? So, yeah. Wow. So yeah, let's give a shout outs to the folks at CPA Authentics, CSR Collectibles, and all the other autographs people. And also let's give a shout outs to the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, video game collectors, I already said toy collectors? Yeah, toy collectors and the watch collectors. Excuse me. And what else? If you like content like this or any other content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. If you have any opinions, what do you all think? Comment down below. So yeah, and also I'm in the YouTube community. What time I post videos, maybe week, daily or so, maybe ahead of time or something. And leave you links in the description box as well for pre-orders. So yeah, with the end of the day, the deadline when it ends. So yeah, it's there. Just see it once in a while. Maybe during the afternoon. Who knows? So yeah, really appreciate some thumbs ups as well. So y'all, that's all I gotta say. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all, and later.